Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Canal IP. Today we're going to see how to register a GDS3705 door phone, but this process applies to any GDS model remotely. First, we need to create an extension. Go to Trunk Extensions, then Extensions. We have extension 1001, let's assign it. Edit it, enter 1001 in the caller ID field, and 1001 in the Authenticate ID field as well. Copy this password, save, and apply the changes so the extension is generated within the PBX. Then assign the data to the interphone. We wait, then go to the GDS account section, Account 1, and activate the account. This IP server should be the domain so it remains remote. We take it from the Remote Connect tab under My Plan. Copy this domain, go back to the GDS, paste it, enter 1001 for the user ID, and 1001 for the Authenticate ID as well. For the password, we copy it again, enter 1001, copy the password, and paste it into this field. We scroll down to where it says SIP transport, change it to TLS/TCP. Scroll down to where it says Transverse N80, change it to Stun. These are the same settings as the phone, click Save. Finally, go to Phone Settings, where you'll find the Stun server address. Return to the PBX, go back to Remote Connect My Plan, copy the Stun address, paste it here in the interphone, and click Save. It will prompt you to reboot, click Yes. We wait for it to finish rebooting. Once the domain is added, it should appear here. Then we go to Status, Account Status, and we can see the device is online. If we go back to the PBX, to Extensions, we'll see it's active here. One last thing before making a test call, in Door System Settings, Basic Settings, we need to add the extension where it will ring, which would be 1000. Let's proceed with the test. We initiate the call. The phone rings. We answer, the call connects, and we have two-way audio. We hang up, dial the number in reverse entering the digits starting with 1001, and dial. The call comes through, and two-way audio is established. Okay. We hang up, and that's all for the video. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.